It's time for another hot dish from Happy Healthy Why.
With Daddy.
Once your friends taste this recipe, you'll be the taco of the town. Slice. 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 Plop. Slice. Plop. Push, 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 push. Pour. Slice. Chop. Twist. Twist. Pound. Slice. 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 Slice, 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 slice. Spoon. 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 Scrape, scrape. Stir, 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 stir. Stir, 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 stir. Snip, 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 snip. Stir, 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 stir. Peel, 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 peel. Peel, 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 peel. Peel, 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 peel. Slice, 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 slide, slide. Great, 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 great. Plop. Slide. Pound. Pound, 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 magic. Stir, 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 stir. Scrape, scrape. Stump, scrape, 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 scrape. Stir, 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 stir. Shake, 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 shake. Scrape, 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 scrape. Stir, stir, scrape, 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 scrape. Stir, 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 stir. Scrape, scrape. Pour, pour, pour. Stir, 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 stirs. Magic. Pat, 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 pat. Stir, pat, 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 pat. Scrape, scrape, stir, stir, stir. Scrape, 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 scrape.
I know what about this taco is how the lettuce seems like it's not even there. You mainly get this flavor of this beef, this ground beef, and cheese together with that crunch of the taco shell. It's a good way to eat your vegetables.
The meat has good flavor, and with the cheese and guacamole, they complement it really well. But the lettuce and tomato give it a freshness that every taco should have. And it makes it, I don't know, it contrasted. Tomato, lettuce cold, beef hot, contrast good.
Happy Healthy Wife Chef Barry here. Reminding you to click on that like button or leave a comment down below. It helps out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.